For projects that require extensive joint movement, such as window and door installation, high-rise facades, and roof detailing, a low-modulus high-performance sealant is the ideal choice. Sikaflex 15LM is a one-component polyurethane-based sealant that offers excellent joint movement for a variety of vertical applications. Sikaflex 15LM is easy and ready to use, eliminating the time, effort, and waste involved in equipment cleanup. This product also has high elasticity, curing to a tough, durable consistency with exceptional cut and tear resistance. Sikaflex 15LM is proven to resist even the most extreme conditions, including jet fuel and harsh climates. 15LM can bond to most construction materials and dissimilar substrates without a primer, while offering movement capability of +100 to -50%. We hope you enjoyed learning more about Sikaflex 15LM. For additional information on this or any other product, please call one of our product specialists at 1-800-850-3338 or send us an email at sales@tbpconverting.com. From all of us at TBP Converting, we look forward to working with you.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.